Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. The Honorable Mrs. Nikmat Tuniaya as the final project methodology lecture and friends who I am proud of. Let me introduce myself. My name is Hafida Istiananisi from the Polytechnic Negeri Semarang majoring in Accounting Diploma Study Program Class AK3C. I will present my final project proposal with the title Calculation, Deposit and Reporting of Income Tax at the ABC Office in 2023. First of all, I will present the presentation structure which consists of background, formulation of the problem, literature review, research purpose, benefit of research, and research method. The background that I raise here is that the government of the Republic of Indonesia is a developing country which every year strives to increase state income from various sectors in order to increase development in all fields to the prosperity of its people. In order to achieve the state's goal regulated by law. In Indonesia, the large source of state revenue comes from the tax sector. According to Sumitro in Mardiasmo, tax is the people's contribution to the state treasury based on law, which can be enforced without receiving reciprocal service, which can be directly demonstrated and used to pay for public expenses. The ABC Office calculates the income tax payable, but the calculations are not fully in accordance with the applicable law. Therefore, it is important for have income tax calculation, deposit, and reporting at the ABC Office in 2023. Based on the problem above, the problem formulation in preparing this final project is as follows. The first, how will the ABC Office carry out the calculation, deposit, and reporting of income tax in 2023? And second, how in the 2023 ABC Office income tax calculation, deposit, and reporting compatible with the applicable laws? From the definition of tax, it can be concluded that tax has the following elements: contribution from the people to the state. The only person who has the right to collect tax in the state. The contribute is in the form of money. Under the law, tax are collected based on laws and implementing regulation. Without the lead service or counter performance from countries that can be directly appointed. Tax payment cannot be attributed to individual contravention by the government. Use the finance state household, namely expense the benefit the wider community. Next is the function of tax. The first, budget function. Tax have a budgetary function, which means that tax are a source of government revenue to finance, but routine and development expenditure. And second, regulation function. Taxes function as tools to regulate or implement government's policies in the social and economic field. Grouping tax according to class. According Mardiasmo, there are several tax groupings, namely according to group. In the first, direct taxes, namely taxes that must be borne by the taxpayer himself and cannot be charged or delegated to other people. Example, income tax. And then indirect tax, namely taxes that can ultimately be charged or passed on the other people. Example, value-added tax. And then according to its nature, the first subjective tax is a tax that originate or in based on the subject, in the sense of paying attention the taxpayer's personal situation. Example, income tax. And then objective tax is a tax that originate from the object without paying attention to the taxpayer's personal situation. Example, value-added tax and sales tax on luxury goods. And then according to the collection agency, the first central tax are taxes collection by the central government and use the finance state household. Example, income tax, value-added tax, and sales tax and on luxury goods and stamp duty. And second, regional BPS taxes, namely taxes collected by regional governments and use the finance regional household. According to Mardiasmo, so that tax collection does not cause obstacle or resistance. Tax collection must meet the following requirement. A. Tax collection must be fair or requirement of justice. Tax collection must be based on law. Juridical requirement does not disrupt the economy, economic recruitment, tax collection must be efficient, financial recruitment, and the tax collection system must be simple. According to Matiasmo, there are several tax collection systems, namely, the first, the official assessment system, is a collection system that gives authority to the governance or fiscus to determine the amount of tax owed by taxpayers. And the second, the self-assessment system, is a tax collection system that gives taxpayers the authority to determine themselves the amount of tax owed. And third, withholding system is a tax collection system that gives authority to a third party, not the tax authorities and not the taxpayer concerned, to withhold and collect tax owned by the taxpayers. According to Matiasmo, there are 4 types of tax rates, namely A. Comparable or proportional rates. The rate is fixed percentage of whatever amount is subject to tax so that the amount of tax payable is proportional to the amount of the tax value subject to tax. Example, the value of taxable good within the custom area will be subject to value added tax of 11%. And second, fixed rate. The rate is a fixed amount, the same as the amount subject to tax so that the amount of payable is fixed. Example, the amount of stamp duty for check and giro bills with any nominal value. And then the degressive rate, the percentage rate used becomes smaller, the large and the amount subject to tax. And then progressive rate. Progressive rates are the percentage rates used the increase as the amount subject to tax increase. The following are the progressive rates used to calculate taxable income, which can be seen in the table. Based on the problem formulation, the objective to the achieve this final achievement research include the first, calculated and understand the calculation, deposit and reporting of income tax that has been carried out by the ABC office in 2023. And the second, calculate and determine the conformity of the 2023 income tax calculation, deposit and reporting at the ABC office with the applicable laws. The benefit of writing this final assignment are follows: contribute to the development of material for the diploma accounting study program, especially in taxation course, and then contribute to the development of accounting, especially in the field of tax theory, regarding the calculation, deposit, and reporting of income tax. Then it is hoped that it will attract the interest of other researchers and can be used as a reference for conducting empirical research in the science of accounting. The next discussion is about method. According to Sugiono, research methods are basically a scientific way to obtain data with certain purpose and uses. Research methods have a role in determining data collection technique and research method use. Classification data of data used in final project according its nature, namely quantitative data. Merta Jaya states that quantitative data is data in the form of number. Qualitative data, Meta Jaya states that qualitative data is data resulting from category or coding. The content of the data can be in the form of word or can be defined as data that is not numbers but is numbered. Based on the source, the data used in this final project is divided into 2 types, namely the first, primary data. Hedi Suprapto states that primary data is data obtained indirectly from the source, not through intermediary media, or in other words, data obtained by field survey using original data collecting methods. And the second, secondary data, Hedi Suprapto states that secondary data is data obtained indirectly from the source, through in the intermediary media, which can be in the form of notes or report arranged in archive documentation data or data that has been collected from data collection institution and published to public who use data or that in not published. Data collection is a method used to obtain data to be processed to product information to be reported. The data collection method used in writing this final assessment are interviews, documentation, and literature study. The writing method used in preparing this final assessment are the description method and the exposition method. Next, in the system of rating, Chapter 1, Introduction. This chapter describes the background of the problem formulation, aim, and benefit of rating. Chapter 2, Literature Review, describe the theories used as a basic for writing the final assessment. Chapter 3, Research Method. This chapter explains research method which contain the meaning of the research method, data classification, data collection method, data processing method, and writing method. Chapter 4 is Result and Discussion. This chapter contains a brief story, vision and mission, organization structure, and job description, as well as research result and discussion regarding income tax calculation at the ABC office. Chapter 5, Closing. This chapter is the final stage in preparing the final assessment, which contain calculation and suggestion from the result of the discussion. This is a schedule of final assessment preparation activities for the next few months, starting from submission the title of the final assessment to creating a draft of the final assessment from May to July 2024. Thank you for attention. I close with extraordinary sentences from Align the Button which states paying tax should be framed as a glorious civic duty worth it or gratitude, not a punishment for making money. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.